Hello my planner pals and welcome back. And if you're new here then thank you for joining me and giving me a try. My name is Di, I am here at Creative Carver Design. Today I'm sitting down to decorate my journal for the week of the 21st. Now I had pre-planned to use the Mickey and Minnie seasonal because it's Halloween, etc. And I sat down with the sticker book and realised I'd used all of the Halloween stickers. So what I decided to do was I thought about using these. These are little note paper things that were in the Grabie book, but these could be any kind of note papers. I've got, I think there's 7, 8, there's 8. There's 8, so there's 8 different ones. And what I did was I took one of each. I think there's one of each. 4, 5, 6, there's 9, 7, 8, there's 9. There's 9. And I was sitting here and I was like, you know, maybe I just do like a patchwork like that, and have them all like diagonal and stuff. And then I thought, you know what I could do? Do you know what I could do? I could recreate this, which I used the RongRong stickers with, but I could do it on a budget and do it with these because I'll have space to journal. There'll be fun decor. So that is what I'm thinking. That is what I'm thinking. So I'm going to take my page, and I guess this is if you have stickers, you can use stickers, because this used a lot of the box stickers, a lot. But if you're on a budget, how do you do it? You do it with note paper. So we're going to do kind of the same thing. And I'm trying to think about, okay, if I did it diagonally, which is what I'm thinking, then I want to make sure that I'm keeping the fun things. And I did think about putting this on black, like putting it on black paper, but I think this is a better option. I think we'll put that there, and then that will go there. I might put that one up a little bit more. I'm just thinking right now of ones I want to switch around and change. Yeah, I don't know. I do want that one there because it's orange. I want that one there because I want that. And then maybe it's this one that doesn't come in because this one is kind of like the outlier being that color. So I might do that. Am I crazy? Quite possibly. And then the bits that I cut off, like this bit can go here. This bit can go over here. Though I do feel kind of bad that the cat's going to get its butt cut off. So let's put that there. And we'll do that. About that. Do we think that? I think we're going to go for it. I'm just going to go for it. I'm going to start with this one. And I'm just going to use regular adhesive. So if you find notepads and stuff in the sales, because let's face it, we're all about that sale life. If you find them in the sales, this is your notice to pick them up. And this is what I do for the join, for lack of a better word, the join. I put adhesive across the middle there, and then the usual around the edge. Can we see how this is going to come together? Yes. I'm going to do this one next because it won't need the whole thing doing. And we'll put adhesive there because I want to make sure that I've got the ghosty on. I want to make sure I've got the ghosty on. As long as I've got the ghosty on, I'm going to be happy. Now I've got some there that I've put adhesive off that I don't need, and that's where the adhesive remover eraser comes in. Okay, so we're all down, and then I'm going to get my scissors and chop the ends off. Just like I did on the other spread, save the bits because they can fill in on the other bits. So now the bits that I've got left over, But can you see how that bit just fits in there perfectly? And then that bit might go there. That bit's going there. The only other one I have is that. Oh, it's that one. Never mind. And then all we have to do is cut down the middle. I'm going to get my punch because that's my life right now. And that is my spread in my journal for next week. I just think it's a great way of taking the idea of this and making it a bit more budget friendly, because it could also be sticky notes, right? You could also just do this with any kind of decorative sticky notes. But note paper, notepads work as well. I'm loving this idea. I'm just going to roll with it. I am rolling with ideas right now. So yes, if you find some cheap notepads that are Halloween themed, buy them now, save them for next year. Or any kind of theme. Christmas, no, any kind of theme. All right, I hope you enjoyed this little kind of tutorial tip kind of video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already, and I will see you next time, my planner pals. Bye.